Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be breaking this ceiling fan. So let's begin! Okay, so I'm pretty sure you guys remember last video when I said that this was the last video that will be shot here at my mom's house. Well, this is the inside of apartment 1. My mom lives over here at apartment number 2. And yeah, so on one of my TikToks I made, I hit the ceiling fan blade and it fell off and broke. Ceiling fan. Oh. Okay. Is that some messed up ceiling tiles I see? Might as well pull the whole thing down then. So today we're going to be breaking it. Oh yeah, and I've still got the vacuum cleaner I want to break too. That will be the last video that will be shot here at this house. But this ceiling fan video and the vacuum cleaner video, those will be the last 2 videos that will be filmed here. And they're perfect for before my mom moves. But seriously. Okay, so first we're going to start off by pulling it down. It won't budge. Okay, so I got this. It still won't fall. Oh yeah, and also for the video safety, I also took out the gloves. So that way I could smash the fan safely. Now, let's get back to reality. Ooh, it's almost there. Okay, so the camera footage cut out, but I did pull down the Okay, well, there it is. It's now broken now. Now the mission is to get it off of the ceiling and onto the floor. There we go. Yep, that's what happens when you hit a fan. But one thing about this I'm about to say and do to this is, wait a minute, I did that wrong. Let me redo that. But first, out the window the ceiling fan goes, where it really belongs. Okay, let's get it now. The thing came loose on it. You know what? This thing's going to the better place. You know where this is going at? It's going in the streets. Yep, it's going in the streets where it really belongs. Like in all my videos. I forgot to bring the baseball bat out here, so Okay, I think I've hit it enough. Wait a minute. I forgot one thing. I forgot to do one more thing. And you all should know what this is. And I'm doing it from a far distance this time because I almost broke the camera last time I did it. Let's try that again. Hopefully I don't break the camera. Maybe one more time for good luck. Who knows? Yep, okay, that's it. So guys, even though we have a dumpster right here, I'm not going to throw it in there. We're still going to do it the old-fashioned way. And so with all that being said, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe to this channel. And as you can tell from behind me, they had already torn down the power line that's right there because it used to be connected to telephone poles. Because, like I said, my mom's moving out and the house is getting demolished. And I'm still going to be making the vacuum cleaner video. And that'll be the last video that will be filmed here at this house. So I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, bye. Okay, now that I'm done smashing the ceiling fan, it's time to move on with this now. This is next. And yeah, all this will be filmed on the same day as the ceiling fan, but they'll just be uploaded at different times. Bye.